Sanibonani isizwe sakithi igama umcaseli isibinyaminya sentombi zasemzingwane. Exhibet kwakhokho umayabo. Namhlanje ngihambe ngayolanda iquantum likaMaphuthi. Sokuyisikhathi eside ngagcina ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngixoxe nale ndoda abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi seya disappear nokuzwa abanye abantu bekhala bethi abasamboni umnumzana uNkomosi kakhulu ku social media ekhuluma ngendlela ayekhuluma ngayo kudala. Kodwa ke bayichaza yena ukuthi kukhona into ethizeni ezimfihlile ezimbambile actually okungumsebenzi awenzela isizwe. Sawubona quantum likaMaphuthi.
Ngibingelela mfaka mgwaza.
Ngagcina ulibhinqa kakhulu ubhinqa abantu angazi njengoba manje usungumsebenzi womphakathi ngicabanga ukuthi awusabhinqa Nkomosi.
Ya usho kahle mawuthi ngumsebenzi womphakathi ake siqale nje kutheni iminyaka kumele kube nento oyiachieve noma ngithi kumele ukhule kube nezinye izinto ogcina ukuthi uma usuzibona ukuthi mhlawumbe I should have corrected that nala you understand impilo banjalo right ke mhlawumbe nami ngibingelela
noma ngicina kudala ngikhulile
usukhulile impela manje ngoba usukwazi ukuthi uhlale phansi kanje ukhulume nje kwasasikhuluma ngagcina usakhuluma simile wena kuthiwa ubhinqa kakhulu abantu kakhulu uma kunemicimbi you understand kodwa ke kukhona okunye engikubonayo ke noma ngeke ngitshele because I don't want to blow your own trumpet tomorrow kodwa ke khona lapho khona zama ukuthi ubambe ukhuphule phezulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Umuntu ohlele ekhaya ubani uNkomosi? Mina ngiyakwazi ngoba sengize ngisho ukuthi iquantum likaMaphuthi kushithi ngikwazi kakhulu. Umuntu ohlele lapha emakhaya ubani umnumzana uNkomosi?
Umnumzana uNkomosi indoda ezalelwe eMaguzeze. Right ngaphansi kwenduna uSindisa Mpofu owayephethe ibutho lempande. Njengoba nje kubalulekile ukuthi mawungibona ungibiza ngempande uyabonga ngithukana cha ibutho la kuphi ibutho lakithi ngizalelwe ke mina endaweni yaseMaguzeze ngakhulela khona ngaphansi kwa induna uChichi njengoba ngishilo so ke ngumuntu ke mina othanda kakhulu ukuthi indawo le eMaguzeze kube i-starting point sazonke izinto yabona lapha eMaguzeze kunezikolo izikole ezingaphansi ka Sindisa lapha kuleya ndawo ekhona fike kube iChichi kube neChingabili kube neMaguzeze yizo kwisikole engigxile kuzo kakhulu njengoba ke ukwakhuluma ukuthi abantu bayasebenzela umphakathi yebo sike safika saqala mhlambe bekungabo 2013 la mhlamba abanye niyakhumbula ukuthi kwaba nodumo olukhulu kakhulu kuthiwa eMaguzeze khona umisi omunye sengathi uya misbehave umisi oyeqhamuka ngapha ngasempumalanga babethu upasi lo
okuqhamuka khona uSibande kaMandlela eMpumalanga. Ngizofuna umuntu oyeqhamuka eMpumalanga
uthisha lo wayeqhamuka endaweni yaseMashona.
Okay
right ke wafika la wafundisa lapha ngicabanga ukuthi yinye into yafaka kakhulu eMaguzeze kumap.
Okay
ngoba we were part of the people sasilapha nasami ukuthi correct ukuthi okay njengoba uthisha khona nje kukhona ezinye izinto okungamele azenze ezinga accommodate noma ezingekho good for i-community eMaguzeze
izinto ezenziwa uthisha
wayeseqala ukuhlabelisa ingane ingoma zesishona eseqala ukufundisa ingane
ufuna ungishisisa idea
wayeseqala nje ukuthi izinto zonke sizenze kakhulu ngendlela yani yesishona so kwagcina kungathi sekungenela kakhulu nomphakathi yabona ke kwayindlela right esikhala ngayo kakhulu ukuthi hayi akashenxe esikhundleni mangabe siyamehlula ngoba nalo mama wayelapho wayephethe la wayeseqotshiswe ukuya kodwa ke hayi ngemva kokukhulumisana wagcina ephumile wabuya naleya mama waqhubeka kwaphambili but naku la mina ngiyakhona
ngoba sengithi ukusebenzela umphakathi wakho kahle vele ukuxotsha amatitsha
amatitsha ngathanda labo amatitsha
nawe wabona eMaguzeze ngobuza abantu ngo30
engamfuna ukuzenza empilweni yami ngangifuna ukuba iphoyisa noma ngibe uthisha kodwa kwasho ukuthi ke phela umuntu uyahamba ehluleka phambili right ke na indaba la
so ahluleka kwakukodwa phakathi
kwamhlula konke koyi2 okay right indaba mina engikuyo lana ukuthi lezi izikole lezi engizibalile iChichi Chingabili neMaguzeze ngiye ngahlala phansi ngelinye ilanga futhi khona lapho kubo 2013 la kwake kwavela something eyayithi khona no abantwana bemathebeleleni bafeyile dismally you understand but i-topic yakho na mina izange ngihlale kahle
okay
uyabona i-topic le manga ngihlale kahle ngadinga ukuthi right kumele kuyenze njani kwa sekuthi ukhona ubhuti abadu banganincube
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yayazi ngo-99 waseplank.
Iwele la kozimnyama. Right, ubhudlana babelenye into ababeyifoma ingathi ufuna ukuncedisa kakhulu isikolo. Yabona? Ngiyakhumbula i-approach me wangitshela ukuthi no sizoyenza into kanje ngicela ukuthi nawe ube ingxenye yalento usifula i-WhatsApp group kube nabantu esibafakayo.
Okay, abasendaweni.
Yeah, quickly kwase kufika no abasendaweni. Abantu nje
in general.
Yeah. So Kim kwase kuklika kakhulu ukuthi let me get a topic of this thing. Ngase ngibhala nje group ngathi my school my future.
Oh yeah, I remember my school my future.
Yeah, the name came from me. Yes. So stima kube njalo ke sasesithi no okay njengoba sesikufome kwaba ile ndlela safaka abantu bababaningi abaza abantu bangabaningi kuba nokungaboni ngasolini so safika sathi zama ukuthi sidivideane ukuthi uthatha abantu nami ngizothatha laba nalo uthatha labo safaka ama group leaders nama was part of the group leaders yabanye abantu yabo. So the function started yabonakala ngathi yasebenza but la yasihlupha khona mina sengiyedwa ngayihlala phansi ngayibona ukuthi noma lento le sikhuluma the whole region of Matebelele. And mina sengikhulumile kithi emakuzo ukuthi guys kunento esiphezulu kwayo. So now sokufuna ukuphela unyaka abakaboni next. So laba bantu ngoba kumele siqale mhlambe siyoqala eBhinga noma siyoqala eKhala Nyomi noma siyoqala kuphi eBedbridge.
Wona kahle ufuna beqale ngini.
No. Ungizwe. So ukuze izofika kithi izofika abantu bese becabanga ukuthi mina nginamanga ayikho lento le
wasudla imali
yabona ay kongathi kuyangikhathaza ngase ngithi ke mina naku manje uDecember ngike ekhaya ngahlanganisa yini enguhlanganisayo. So what I used to do ukuthi ngangilanda noma ngabe igarage lapho ukucleanwa khona ukugeziswa khona imoto ngifike ngicela ukuthi ngigezise imoto but ningangibhadali cash ningithengele stationery. Abanye abantu they were coming up.
Are you serious about this?
Yes. Abanye abantu babeyithanda lento kakhulu.
So kushuthi like ma abantu be complaina ukuthi abakwazi mhlawumbe ukuxhasa or ukusiza ngicabanga ukuthi uyabahlomisa lapho uyababonisa ukuthi zikhona ezinye indlela zokuthi uqoqe imali yokusiza even if ungenamali. You can use
abantu abakwazi ukusiza kuphela mawungabatshela ukuthi ucela usizo.
Yeah.
How are they going to help you? Abantu kumele ubalande batshela ukuthi ngicela ini usizo. Then people will help you. Abantu they will never sit down and dream ukuthi lo muntu udinga usizo.
But imali imbona ngicakile ngihambe emgwaqweni bengabona umuntu wokudla ukudinga.
I mean I've never seen you bigger than this. So kunzima ukuthi ngikubona ukuthi namhlanje ulambile or usuthi. So my point here
like that.
My point here ukuthi sengibalandile abantu abanye they were responding. Omunye doke ngithengile omunye yabona ke once you approach abelungu and umeshene imfundo yabantwana abelungu imfundo bayithatha ngeyinye indlela engafani neyethu. Yes. So abelungu babengithengela lezi zinto bathenga ngempela ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi the first trip amabox ayemaningi kakhulu engahamba nawo. Yes.
Siyakujabulela kakhulu lokho.
So kuthe makwenze njalo ke ngafika amabox ngabeka ukhona enye indoda yakithi abathi uArthur Ncube.
Okay.
Indoda lengayitshela ngathi indoda kunento ekanje.
Wenzani yena is just
he's just working like anyone.
Okay.
But sengimtshelile le ndoda yathi no Nkomo, so this is one wonderful something. I'm willing to help you on this one. You understand?
Yeah.
Le ndoda yabona ukuxoxa into iphindi iphela. Sawuhlangana ekhaya ngoDecember.
Yeah.
Uma sifika ehlangana ekhaya ngoDecember indoda yathi no izinto zikhona. Mina ngumuntu ozwayo angithi mangingazwa bese ngihlala phezulu kwalento engizwile. Ndoda sihlanganise phela nazi izinto ziyafuneka. Sihlanganise ngempela izinto zinjalo sivele sithi asibize ba ukhansila nenduna.
Ukhansela wendawo.
Yeah. Kwabizwa ukhansila kwabizwa induna sanibonisa izinto lezo kodwa okay. Njengoba thina sifike ngesikhathi sokuvakasha bakithi. Lezi zinto sala niyenza njani? Distribute.
To ama schools lawa abathathu or what.
Then mina the good thing engayenza ngathatha inumbers zabo headmaster bonke lapha besikolo lezi 3 science group. So we were communicating ngentela no lezi zinto sizitholile nezithombe zenduna nabo councilor nani zavela.
Yeah.
You understand? Then leyo nto leyo ya continue size saphazamiseka nje njengoba songathi ungena ini i-load shed i-COVID, thank you. I-COVID into mayifika ke yasiphazamisa because i-COVID ifika ithathe nani nomsebenzi. Kodwa prior to that, ngo-2019 sayenza umcimbi omkhulu kakhulu ekhaya. And lapho that was not for school sikemani. Sekuyini
community.
Clinic.
Oh,
we're doing that for the clinic.
So naniyenzela iclinic umcimbi.
Yes, sahlangana sihlangene kwasokunamadoda amaningi ayisengenile. Yes, kwasongena ubale kaNdebele, kwangena uMpiyezo Ncube, kwangena uRobi, kwazongena ngiyabakhohlwa ngabachana bambona bembakhohlwa. Yes.
Wona niyenza vele ni family.
Not family but abantu aba interested.
Oh, okay.
So those people bavele bazofika. Kwasokuba nomunye ubhuti ababethu uMabhena owakochinga abantu
uMabhena.
uMabhena owakochinga ababili kithi.
Okay.
Right. Labo bantu ke right sakwenza it was like prophetic.
Yeah.
Why I'm saying that because kwakuzoza iCovid thina salethela ama detergents eclinic saletha eclinic ama detergents of which 2020 lezazinto zasezizana seziqala ukusebenza even bought chairs
mawumadabudabule ekhama sesizwe sithi ama detergents abakwazi yini ama detergents.
Okay, mhlambe ake ngithi izinto ezazisebenza ezifana labo spirit, into ezazisebenza ezifana na uyabona nje into ezigcotshiswa zona ezima umuntu elimele nani okunye sasikuzama ukuthi sikudinge khona la.
Yeah.
Si approach indawo ezingathi zisebenza ngama clinic, indawo ezingathi nani besinikeza abantu. Like mangabe uyakhumbula kahle, mangikhuluma ngokuthi maybe let's help each other. Ukuthi kusebenza kanjani. Uyakhumbula khona umfana lo obekuthiwa uGift, oyubutshwana lo ayishaywe i-owner yamnqumisa.
Yeah, I remember. Yakhumbula
Uyakhumbula ukuthi mfuna ukuza ekutheni abantu bayasiza noma basiza.
Yeah.
Ubhuti loya wathi mayelo kuzile sakhala ngazama usiso kuthiwa nguNomazulu, angazi noma uyamkhumbula.
Nomazulu the journalist.
Yes.
Socha likaDadafi. Yeah, lazi.
Nomcela ke ngathi mntana ngicela ungenzele 1 2 3 1 2 3. I think we made something like 7,000. Samlanda luyamfana samthuku qonyiwe. Shaya izandla luyamfana was if ever ngaba kuzange kube nethimba elisuka liyokhuluma ngomfana was going to commit suicide. Yes, but ke sahlala sakhuluma naye sayenza everything kwagcina even sesicommunicate nani nabelungu babethi bazomqhasha bemiyenzayo sebenza kuphi endaweni ezifana ne kuthiwa ama game reserve. Because you don't need hands to say this is an elephant, this is a snake, you don't need hands.
Yeah, that's true.
You understand? Yeah. So umlungu was understand kakhulu. I still remember when I went there more than 5 times. One day ngahamba kuyicourt ngela ngahamba ngasenyohlangana nomlungu wathi no, if the government gives him ilokungana i-permit, mina I'm going to employ him.
Yeah.
Yabona that uyamlungu was like uyambona right ke sakushaya lokho sakulokungana kuze kwathi manje ngoba government say akamphanga nge-permit yodwa wathi ngisemnika ne-social grant nje ukuthi kumele ekhona ukuphila nokuthi angasadeport because the guy was about to be deported enjalo engenazo izandla. We tried ukuthi sisuse i-lawyer from Francistown lizama ukuthi I'm sure yilo ngicela pusha yonke into yazi yagcina si right. But the point here Mr. Gwaza ukuthi let's talk about education. Yes, into engiwaritha kakhulu is education. Mina
so yikho la ofaka khona kakhulu.
Yes. Mina the reason why ngikhala kakhulu nge-education ukuthi I remember one day ngangisiya eLusa. Ngathi mangisiya eLusa ngathola umama wami ehlakula komunye umuzi ehlakulela $40. Kuleyo $40 my mother wasn't going to use 1 rand or 1 cent from it. Kwakumele ithathe yonke ayobhadala nge-term esikolweni. Then what was going to happen the next term ezayo?
Kumele ehlakula wena.
Kumele komunye umuzi futhi. Uyazi ngathi ngibuya ntambama ngathi mama I'm not going to school kule term elandelayo. My mother was crying. Umama wayebelieve ukuthi mina ngi-intelligent but mina ngangakubona. My mother thought ukuthi mina ngi-intelligent even namanje sayihleli umntana wami ngabe wafunda. But ukufunda kwami kwakustrafu mama wami. Indima mina ngamthola eyilima eyihlakula komunye umuzi.
Yeah, I get your point.
Yes. terrible. That was too big. I tried to ukuthi no man, let me ngiyezilana ithi ngiyeke isipilo la ngisafarisa usalukazi. Njengoba ngimtshela ngambona ukuthi no uyazibamba but uyafuna ukukhala. The next option wayesesithi ngcono ayekele ini ukuyohlabula lapha adayisa inkomo. You understand? Omunye kwaba nomunye ubhuti khona ubhuti bendaba sebekhulile yabo. Ayisiyazixoxela ubhuti uthi yazi ukuthi uyabona ukuthi kini baningi kangakanani. Kusasa ngoba khona inkulumo enyethi inkomo zonke zaphela zifundisa wena uyiwani.
Yeba.
But manje iyahlala ukuthi noma this is a point.
Yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi why kumele kuphushwe mina ngesikolweni?
Why kumele inkomo?
And mina uyabheka ngicishe ngibe last born because emva kwami kuze last born. Ngaba confused. The other thing ngangimncane. Yabona I think that was about 88. Then ngashuka 1988 ngihamba ngosebenza kuphi eFrancis Town.
Ngiyala kangaka.
Siyeke indaba right ngithe mangisebenza eFrancis Town le i-aim yami ukuthi ozemva kwami angafiki kule situation mina engikuyo. Then I sat down ke mhlambe sengisebenzile mhlambe sesilana segoli kwafika ukuthi how can I help the very same school that made me ukwazi ukuthi igama lami libhala kanje? How can I help that school? Because andiyabona ukuthi manje sinabo abantu sikhona wena khona umxolisi khona ubani mawungombuza ukuthi esikolweni lesafunda kuso wako wabuyela na aze buyele.
Yeah, that's true. But ningaba
and it's very very bad because isikolo yinto ekhulisa umuntu.
Phela kwezinye izikolo babesichaya ndoda ukubuyela khona ngathi say my baba uvele ukukhumbula itrauma ukukhumbula omunye udita lenduku. But so siyabe sisesaba ukukhunjuzwa.
That's the reason esiyasahlala phansi siyamadoda lapha ukuthi no man asizameni ukuthi si improve the very same schools.
Yeah.
ezakhiqiza thina uyabona I always say even ngixoxa lo mfana omkhulile manje ula eGoli looking for a job.
Yeah.
Nokuthi mangikhuluma naye ngimtshela ngidlala mfana mina mangakhuluma iEnglish ngenza imistake but when ukhuluma ungayenza imistake ngiyabona ukuthi kunani there is a way forward. But when ungacorrectwa yimi la engizwa khona isihlumo shuthi ngemva kwami nothing happened. Yeah, you understand? Yeah. So ilokuza isikolo kumele sichinje but one day ngithe mangikhuluma
kumele umzukulu wakho vele bekhuluma isikhulumi.
Yes. No, not ukuthi
kumele efundile kumele kube le level ubonakala ushintsho.
Exactly. One day ngithe mangikhuluma nabo teacher esikolweni ngiyabatshela ngithi lama principal ngiyazi ukuthi enye mistake yenza ukuthi singaphumeleli kuyini singaletha ama resources la saletha. But these resources kumele sithole umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi sisetshenziswe kanjani. Ngathi ubona thina sifunda ibhola lalidlalwa isikolo sesiphumile. Yet today people lives ngani talent.
Yeah.
Ibhola lalidlalwa after school and lidlalwa ngumntwana ofuna ukulidlala.
Yeah.
You understand? Yet mase sesikolweni siyenza imaths konke umuntu kumele ashayele ukufunda imaths. You understand? Why kungathi makunje kuthiwe makuthi kudlalwa let's say ngifanise ngebhola.
Yeah.
Wena as a teacher ngoba uyindoda suthola coaching job but coaching awuyazi wena.
Yeah, vele sasicoachwa ngoteacher besijaya futhi.
But uteacher engayazi coaching engalazi ibhola yena. Yes. Why uthola ukuthi ekhaya kulo muntu ohlele emakhaya
olazi
okude futhi ukuthi ngaba icoach lo yamuntu. But it's not given the job because I to teach. But by giving that man the job, we're creating the job.
And futhi umuntu olazi ibhola kwakuyabalula ukuthi identify abantu abalazi ibhola because nomuntu ongalazi kodwa ubona ukuthi there is a potential lapha ya.
Ngifuna ukubonisa one thing why ngikhuluma kanjani. Ngenina nguthisha wathi asibaze uphini. Mina ngathatha ilokuza ngafika nganikeza umalume wami wangibaza
wayevele ebaza
wangibaza umalume wami sahamba uthisha wafika wathi god lolu luhlu kudlula zonke impilo but lolu bazoma
malu
why kwapasa mina did I really pass?
No, awupasa kodwa wabuya lento epasisa.
So why kwakungathathwa umalume ngoba uthisha lokakwazi ukubaza umalume abuye azofundisa ini abantwana ukwenza ukubaza. Uyezwa uthisha kuthe aphiwe umsebenzi avele ungasowakhe
Yeah, I get it.
You understand? So
Ngicabanga ukuthi indoda ehleli ngale isihlala isikhathi eside ighost yami ingezwe. Kuloko esikukho sikhuluma kahle nendoda lapha eQuantum likaMaphuthi phansi le empandeni. Ngezinto ezenzeka emphakathini nangokuthi uthinta indaba yokuthi iningi lethu selokusaphuma esikoleni bambalwa ababuyela to esikolweni. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuyipoint enhle. Ngicabanga ukuthi nawe nje ohlele ekhaya one day mawungabuyela esikoleni wafunda kuso kukhona enye into ozoyi-identifya ocabanga ukuthi wena ungayilungisa. Ngube kukhona
no mina engakusho ukuthi ngivumelana la inkomo lapho ukuthi we need to go back to izikole esasuka. Mina uthe ekhuluma and uqambe ngazathi uthi uya profit ukuthi umxolisi la elaphana ungambuza ukuthi wakuyela nini esikole afunda ngisuka kazi, and it's very true. Primary ngasuka ngo1989 ehalala primary, ngibuyele kuphela ngisiye church ngoba isonto besiyisonto ibikhona lapho from 1998 sengilipoyisa I think ngabuyela ka2 or ka3 ngoba vele church bengasasonti sengumuntu osebaleke church. White Water Secondary, I don't remember going back there since 1993. And I feel guilty ukuthi
now
abantwana are failing, yonke into imoshakele. We created a group ye White Water ku Facebook. Sabe sibhizi siposta kokuchomela anti umuntu sethenga imoto, umuntu se record music. There is nothing about trying to raise the level of education esikolo or to raise the pass rate. I don't even know i-pass rate yehalala. I don't know i-pass rate yase White Water because abantu abafunda khona abasahlala ekhaya lamanje labo vele they don't care ukuthi babekwazi ngoba kwazi house bani bani wangalo upasile. That's where it ends. So I believe now I'm challenged lami as well.
Yeah.
And thina unkomo nxa yena ekhuluma ukuthi isikole akazangasiqede ephicheka ngokuthi improve i-pass rate esikolo, thina esibala singabantu abafundileyo kumele ba-understand i-education yangona more. Siyithi esesiziqhelanisa la lento, you see ukuthi i-society is even getting more degraded ngabantu ukuthi abafundile as opposed to labo abakuthi abafundanga. So I believe this is a very big challenge ekuthini abantu must go back and plow back kuma communities lawo abenze baba yilokho abayikho khona.
Vele kwenkomo nayi Mapuzeze manje primary nalezi ezinye izikolo ezikhona. Yini into that you can point now nawe uziqhenye usho ukuthi we have done this to these schools?
Engingakusho manje ukuthi
nomuntu odlule khona Mbelizo le kwezinye izikole asho nami ngibonile bathi bathenga iflag eZimbabwe sokule flag eassembly Mapuzeze nansiyana.
Engingakusho manje ukuthi ngabe kasiphazanyiswanga singamadoda eCovid. Up to now ngaba kunamntwana okuthiwa akaya esikolweni, especially kumantombazana. Amantombazana anokuba ne-challenge ukuthi ma beyenza lento angazi ukuthi ukuthiwa i-menstruation.
Okay, yeah. Ubuya enyangeni.
Egcina engayanga esikolweni.
Yeah.
Our aim was to deliver those things ukuthi lezo zinto zihlale kuphi
esikolweni.
Yes, those is very good. Zihlale lapho ukuthi umntwana makuthiwa unenkinga kungasekubonakala.
And futhi abantwana abancane abanye basuke bengayi-understand lethu thola ukuthi imzuma asesikoleni and yeah.
And the worst thing and yobona ukuthi ngesikhathi sifunda sesikoleni thina kwakuyenzakala kithi osisi abanjalo sasibahleka and it traumatized the next person.
Yeah, that's
you understand true. So akumphilisi kahle leya muntu loya. So okunye futhi ukuthi kungabi nomntwana ukuthi ushota ngani ngepenseli yokubhala. Webona the other thing that esazama ukuthi sikhuze futhi
ngoba ngakhumbula nje kudala bekusenzeka impela umuntu ajikiswe esikolo ngenxa yokuthi kalapheni
ujikisa esikoleni ukuthi uhamba ngonyawo mase secondary wawungangena secondary uhamba ngonyawo
onyawo beluvunyelwe primary.
Yes. Wawuthi mase uhamba ngonyawo one lalela nje ama teacher remember I teacher kumele kube umuntu ongumzali, kumele kube umuntu oportray as a parent.
Yeah.
So ama teacher will do that, but yokwazi ukuthi ayikho into traumatizer njengomunye umntwana. Umntwana esikolo maye kubheke lohlupheka akakwazi ukuthi ukuhlupheka yini, that's why khona ukuhleka. Ungela ball point sasihlekwa, mawungela rubber yokurubber the eraser
yakuvalile ibhuso usenze ngathi uyabhala umngane wakhe lokho kuboleka ukuthi no teacher angakhona la.
yisho izinto esithi ekade sikhalela ukuthi by now kufanele zibe seziclean out
zingasekho ku region.
Yeah, ukuthi makuthiwa ama ball point ahamba. No, whoever will be listening now kumele bekwazi ukuthi siya ama ball point siyawacela, ama erasers siyawacela, ama exercise book siyawacela, whatever.
Ama Rizla.
Ama eraser.
Okay.
Ngakwazi ukuthi
asendlule lapha. Bengazwanga.
Yeah, at least uqonhle. Okay.
Yeah.
So lezo zinto lezo akumelanga umntwana eziswele. Izinto that was our aim. Ukuthi by now umntwana bengasweli. Bese sibheke the other thing. Enye into futhi engiyibona i disadvantage emntwaneni. Yilezi zinto esinokuzibona ikhona enye induna yake yaphuma ihlanya ngakho ukuthi yona induna yenjani yabona
kwathi uyathatha imbuzi esibaye.
Yes,
I remember this.
Yes, kwathi ukuthi we can't talk to those people. Uyabona? Right. Yibo abantu sabesifuna ukuthi ngela
ama ghost khona ngathi kule enye into
engani ghost chiefs ukuthi uyabona why ngathi ngifuna ukublame lezo zinto ukuthi umntwana kazibhadalele esikolweni ningamxoshi umntwana esikolweni.
Yeah vele ngicabanga ukuthi kahle eqinisweni kuthiwa uhulumeni yena kahle uthi kungeziwa. I don't know ukuthi why abantu bekwenza. I think umxolisi will come in mawuceda to clarify on that.
Yeah. Because why ngisho njalo abantwana endaweni abaswelayo kumele bayaziwe. Yabona njengathi njoba sisithi amabhuku ama ball point nani kumele kube labanye sibaziyo vele ukuthi lo angeke athole lutho.
And it's so bad ukuthi wena buyele ekhaya just because awula pen and when you know ukuthi ungafika ekhaya you won't get the pen.
Mina ngangixotshe esikolweni mangiqeda ukuxotsha esikolweni ngangaya ekhaya ngihle suka ngiyodinga umuntu wakithi oyelisileyo because ngiyazi ukuthi ekhaya vele nje ngenamali.
So there's no way ukuthi I will get a pen and come back.
Yes.
Oh sure.
Ngihle ngiphuma ngisekela laba elusekhona khambe ngiyoyelusa. You understand? Why? Because the situation yakithi ekhaya bengiyazi mina ngikhule ngiyazi bengiyibona. You understand? So ezinye izinto ezicontributor kukhona abantwana othola ukuthi they were bad luck like me. Mina my father died when I was 7. Mina mangikhuluma ngobaba ngikhuluma ngomama. There's ukuthi sometimes wayenza show ukuthi kumele
kodwa.
Yes, wayepheka utshwala ukuze sitholele ukuthi athengise.
Ashakule futhi.
Ebe ngumzayoni engaphuzi. Uyangizwisisa?
Ukuthi leyo sizoyichiyela abo Pastor Mzila.
Yeah. Okay. So khona kwani ukuthi
Bishop Mzila.
Khona kwani ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi situation uyabuyizwisisa. Ithi ku vital. So kubalekile ukuthi kusasa nawe ubheka abantu abaza behind you bengahambi ngesame road la wena wahlatshwa khona usithi hayi mfuna ukubona bazohlatshwa na. No, because ukufunda komntwana oyedwa in the community it creates a role model. Uba nobani uzothi hey nami ngifuna ukufunda inyozi njengobani, nami ngifuna ukuchayela iframe machine njengobani, nami ngifuna ukwenza lokho njengoba. You understand? So but engekho umuntu oyisibonelo abantwana uyafisa ukuthi ngicela ukuye egoli ngiyoba ngumalayitha. There is nothing wrong ngokuba umalayitha. Ungizwisisa ngifuna ukuthi omunye weseqamile sokubhlonya umalayitha. Umntwana kumele bekwazi ukuthi imoto impahla zonke zazigcwele umalayitha akho le one emzini wakhe.
Yeah.
Ngathi ngelanga ngikhuluma ngathi ubona makuthiwa kulo mgwaqo umalayitha bekadlula iduze nesikolo. Because yabona mina wabona mina hayi kukhona abanye abantu sasithi masihleli siseclassini umbone hamba ngebhasikili elihle ephemile clean
edlula phambi kwesikole
ephemile yeah ikhandela ngapha nami ngangaphema ikhandela ngapha right nami
nizile
nami kuyehla kwami uqala baningi abalandela bathi hayi
usehla uyinchi
phemile kodwa bengakwazi ukuthi egoli ngihlala kuphi ngidlane kuphi nendawo. So igoli must never be the destination for everyone.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, ngiyawathanda kakhulu lamuntu. Ngisho ukuthi abantwana mawusisho akayitholi kahle point yakho ukuthi indlela umgwaqo actually awungadluli esikolweni la uzohamba khona umalayisha. Usho ukuthi uya into lena omunye umuntu akubone kuyinto enhle ukuthi kwelinye ilanga kumele naye
oqala mina ngingaba ngumalayisha ngidrive imoto yomunye umuntu ngithwele impahla zakho eminye imizi
Uyandlula ekhaya uphela ubingelela ugogo. Phela ukungela lutho.
Yes, bese ngidlule esikolweni angithi. Abantwana mabebhekile laphana bathini?
Bathi kwanza bangalala besuthi.
Yeah.
Kudla kongaka.
Exactly. So ipoint engiphezulu kwana ukuthi abantwana laba abethu nalabo abazemva kwethu asibadingeleni indlela ukuthi bengafundi befane nathi. I don't care ukuthi umntana munye as long as he's 5-6 steps higher than me. Yes, but into kumele sinanzelele nayo la the bigger thing ukuthi what do you do to imduli le eyiyo emold abantwana to lento esifuna babe yiyo. You understand? Sasekhona phela izikolo thina sifunda kokuphunya abantwana bephume beyofunda phandle kuthiwa kushare ama-class. Normal uyabona ngike ngaba nenhlahla because lapha ngike ngasebenza e-Greystone Prep School, ngasebenza e-St. Therese, ngasebenza e-Redham House, Bedford Field. So ziningi izinto engizibone lapha
esikoleni.
Yes. Ziningi esikoleni ayikho into engafundwa.
Then wena uthema uma usubonela wabona ukuthi phela lokhathi nesasikwenza kwaso wesikole lo.
No.
Ngeke ngahlala la e-studio nenye indoda yasePlantry umculi kaMaskandi. Uthe yena wasuka waya ekhaya. Wafika wayakha umuzi wakhe uThabathani kaMawindi. Wayakha umuzi wakhe wayenza waba isakhamuzi. Uthe the reason why wayesenza lokho ya uthi wayengafuni ukuthi umuntu osePlantry ethi emntaneni wakhe ozama ukuba iartist ethi uyabona ukuthi uThabathani unjani ma ufuna ukungena kule nto yomculo uzogcina unje unjengoThabathani kanje kumbe ungelamuzi ungenjani. So he wanted to build ukuthi abe yi role model endaweni yakubo ePhumuza ukuthi ma omunye umntwana engangena ekubeni umculi efune ukuba umculi kungabi nomuntu ozomdiscourage ukuthi no hayi ungabi lokho because isigcino uzobuyilokho. So okwenza ngisho lokho ngisho ukuthi njengoba nawe bewusisho ukuthi you wanted ukuthi kube build ama role models endaweni yakini.
Kakhulu kubalulekile lokho because asiphumeni kuba ngama role models kamama nobaba.
Yeah.
Asibe ngama role models ayenza something in the environment. You understand? Sakhula sithi mawudlala ibhola ubaba mayefika noma mama efika ethatha ibhola esishiye singena into yokudlala. Ethathela ukuthi ekudlaleni kwethu ibhola sogcina singasalandanga imbuzi zakhe zazolala esibayeni. Engabona ukuthi in the process of doing that or in the process of protecting imbuzi ubulala thina. Because angikaze ngizwe umuntu owadlala ibhola othi akaqalana ibhola emahlangeni.
Yeah, that's true.
You understand?
Baqala emphepheni.
Yes. So ekhaya uthi uma ukhula uphethe isiginci kuthi wakwazi ukuthi umuntu ophethe isiginci ubaba kabani angithi laphana babenzela ukuthi kokukudlela babekudiscourage ngayo ngoba
exactly
vele umculi kabizwa ngomntanakhe
ubizwa igama lakhe.
Yes, because this is what is known to the world. You understand?
Yeah.
So zonke lezi zinto okunye kwakuyindlela mhlambe yolwazi oluncane esasiluthola kuphi kwabantu ababephambili kunathi. I'm not saying ukuthi babe ngenalo ulwazi, babe nalo, but at that time into eyibalulekile kwakuyizifuyo. You understand? Kwakumele ugade kakhulu izifuyo zakini. That's why ubona umfana wayethi noma emncane mayivuka ekseni kumele agijima uyochamela kuphi esibayeni. Why? Uyobheka ibhenki kababa ukuthi aliqhekezwa
uyakufohlile ubone same time.
Kodwa manje into ukuthi isikhathi masihlo sikhuphuka masihlo sihamba
manje sebekucamela emva kwenu.
Yes, masihlo sihamba kuphela ini ibhenki lela ziyafa inkomo sifile lo nyaka kula muntu ofuyileyo bayabala nje abanazo yilama mhlawumbe abanezindalo abazibeka khona. So umuntu sokumele be-armed nge-education.
So that's where you come.
Education will never die from you. I-education ayifani nenkomo ukuthi uzocuba yona ayicubi thina ukucube wena la ehleli khona
nokutshontsha inkomo ziyatshontsha hayi ingqondo yakho.
Exactly. And i-education ma unayo wena yona yodwa iyakufoster ukuthi ushintshe i-level of living.
Yeah, that's true.
You understand? Impilo yikho sisithi asiphusheni kakhulu laba abancane. It might happen ukuthi mina nani lahlela impilo sisibhayizisile.
Yeah, that's true.
Let's agree on that. Impilo isishayile but asingavumela abazemva ukuthi impilo ibenzeni bashaye. Asithini makwenzeka ukuthi siyashona kube ne something like a legacy that remains behind. izinto ezisilimazayo ukuthi uyafa wena ungashiyi any legacy. But kufuna ukuthi ngelinye ilanga abantu bethi no but ugwaza yelina ngoba kuyephethe lokho okwe community. Yes, we understand that because umntwana oyi-1 omkhuphula ku community, the whole community sinjani si empowered. Yes, so izinto mina engizikhalela ukuthi bakithi isikole akube izindlu esizihlonipha kakhulu leza, akube izindlu esizikhuphulayo namhlanje because impilo yanamhlanje ayisafani neyakudala. Impilo yanamhlanje sishintshile isibanjwe isikole. So kuyadingeka nokuthi mawufikile uhambe uyojika esikoleni. Why? Usibone ubone nalabo abantu abaqeda isikhathi sonke nabantu abene esikoleni ukuthi abantu abanjani bona labo bantu, ukhulumisane nabo kuze kuzwakala ukuthi yini ongayifaka as input kubo laba bantu because njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi ngike ngasebenza ezikole eziningi lezi zabelungu esilapha
then we discovered ukuthi lokho esithi izikole
isikole ukuthi bengibona bekuqhamuka umzali from ekhaya onolwazi othisha abangenalo aphiwe islot lapha akwenze lokho for free. Uzokuthi ubani is coming ufundisa this
ngoba bayakwazi ukuthi yena unolwazi kuleyo area there.
And once siba nani nabantu abangama role model, one day we invite those people into the schools bezokhuluma nabantu.
So exactly into isho ukuthi kuyadinga ukuthi ikakhulukazi ezikoleni ngoba you said lina wena actually ama resources wenu okwamanje ni channela kakhulu to izikolo. So okushoyo ukuthi ikakhulukazi izikolo ezisemakhaya kuyadinga ukuthi kube nokunye okwenziwa izakhamizi zizofundisa abantwana esikole, especially mawukuthi umuntu lo ungucwepheshe kuleyo.
But can I give you an example of i-Islander?
Yeah.
I-Islander ungabheka abafana benengade bephuma emzilikazi. But it doesn't mean, or it didn't mean ukuthi akekho umunye umntwana kade zalwe reserve kade better than abantu abakade bephuma emzilikazi.
Bebe kukanja manje.
Yes. Why? You ask why? Asiphumeni ekutheni, let's look at izikolo zasedrobheni.
Yeah, that's true.
Let's go emakhaya. That's where the talent is. Asambeni solanda i-talent from emakhaya. Ujomo has been an example to prove ukuthi i-talent lesemakhaya. Let's go collect that talent. Silethe kuphi? Ku limelight. Uyakwazi ukuthi masingaba naba 3 talented boys from Sunny Hilton.
Yeah.
Sunny Hilton ngoba ne stadium.
Yeah, that's true because
yes,
uzobuya back here.
Yes, mase kuna stadium eSunny Hilton. iSunny Hilton becomes a town.
Yeah, that's true.
You understand? So we don't have to go a town to see town. We need to build town at home.
Yeah, lapho siyavumelana. Ngicabanga ukuthi futhi nomxolisi uyavumelana nawe wena mawusumsiza la.
Yes, because why ngithi kumele kube njalo? I-talent leli sibanalo lesemakhaya, we tend to ignore it.
Yeah.
And kuyangilimaza kakhulu because mina kukhona abantwana engikhule kunabanye obhodi enokuba mention ukuthi uyabona ubani ngabe wasedrobheni i-Islander izovuka, ubani ngabe wasendaweni enje lokho kuzovuka, ubani
khona kuyiqiniso. Ngicabanga ukuthi bakhona abanye abantwana ongabasho manje ukuthi ayi but ubani mina mangingambeka kahle wayengamchiya uSaint Bolt lokho ukuthi uSaint Bolt uchiya umhlaba wonke khona amadoda esiwazi wombela emakhaya oJohn Emblwana wayengamchiya.
Uyabona
just because yena kazange athole that opportunity ukuthi kumbe angena kuma Olympics kumbe wayetshona egijimisa umvundla.
Uyabona for example khona isikole kuthiwa ingwanyana ibe kuyingwanya i-secondary yakhona ibizwa iTahangana secondary. Uyabona iTahangana secondary le noma ngithi iTahangana secondary noma ngibale neMbakwe secondary.
Imbakwe boarding school.
Bese ngayidli i-Islander.
Zibe team yabantwana.
Uyabona iMbakwe uthetha abafana uzobathethe eTahangana laba bafunda ngabo 80 something. I-Islander bengekudabule lapho. But they were at home.
Baphelela khona.
I-talent laphelela khona lapho. So what can we do to upgrade those things? Because iwari yami lapho yazi ukuthi umntwana ukukhulela emakhaya egcina tshonke imbuzi zabantu egcina yenzani kufana nokufuya izinja uqeda ungazingeli. What will be the next target? Zimbuzi. You understand? So like ngike ngahlasela omunye ubhuti la. I don't know the name, but he's a Highlanders legend. I respect him. and ngithe mase
ndoda
ngithe mase ngimbizile ngahlala phansi naye wangi-understand wantshela ukuthi no you right
yeah
nikeza isikhathi why bengithi
Benibanga.
yeah sinezikolo la eSouth Africa ezifunda abantu abethu abangenamaphepha.
That's bad.
You understand? Umntwana lo uyafunda noma engapasi enzeni at the end of the day is nothing. Phela noma ungakhuluma i-scientific language engakanani, you will never be a scientist if ever there is no paper to prove that
you are a scientist. Yeah.
You understand? So ngase ngithi kulo bhuti why ungavuli i-academy kuthi labo bantwana bonke bathathe once they become ubona ukuthi lo sequalify ukwenza lokho send him back to Highlanders.
Okay.
You understand? When he came to me one day, no, but this is a great idea. Ngiyayithanda but ngicela unginikeze isikhathi ukuthi la ngikwazi because this thing needs resources. Asi into engavuka ngithi ngiyayenza kusasa. And ngambona ukuthi it's 100% true. Qiniso lelo.
Sikhuluma manje usenayo.
Yes, manje is busy on the issue.
Awusiyabonga.
Yes, he's busy on the issue. But let's go back to izinto zilezi engikhala ngazo zasesikolweni emakhaya. Mina into engifuna siyenze emakhaya ukuthi let's develop our homelands zishintshe zibe down. We don't have to go and see ilokuza in traffic light edrobheni
ungabonela icamera emesina njengokuthaba wayisi.
Yes, exactly. We understand. So izinto eziningi let's bring them to singahlali kunje usebenza la uthumela imilimili kuphela ekhaya. Uthumela kuphela imali uyazi ukuthi imali oyithumela ukuthi beyihle. Noma ungayilandela kusasa ngeke uyithole. Uyithumele namhlanje wena uyehle kusasa bayifihla uma bekubona ufika nibayazi ukuthi uzane yinye.
That's true.
You understand? So ngikhuluma ngani why ngisithi ungathumela imali ungathumela into ephela but send the knowledge. Asizameni ukuthi esikubonayo as we go out here sikukopishe esikubona ukuthi kuyasebenza let's go implement it at home. You understand? Asibenzela abantwana bethu no mina gola ngiyi
kube i-choice yani.
Yes.
Uyafuna ukuya because of this kungabi ukuthi it's a must kumele
mangabe umalumami lwana wayekwazi ukubaza wangabazela uphini isikolo samnikeza islot esikoleni sokufundisa abantwana ukubaza ngaba sina umunye umntwana ohleliyo manje bazi coffee table ekhaya.
Yeah.
Why must we go buy a coffee table 160 kilometers from Kiti from Plumtree usiya kobula 160 kilometers we are taking coffee table. Yes. Why must we do that?
So uthi lana akwenziweni komos how do we empower ke abantu especially ngime lapha esikoleni especially le point okuyo njengokuthi kunobaba lapha obazayo how do we empower him ngaleyo ndlela wena
mina bengithi let's sit down and have resources. Whoever is listening now noma obukeleyo njengoba sikhuluma kuye kumhlaba umxhwele ukuthi no I want to be part of this. Noma ngathiwa ngihlulekile but ngifuna uku-add something like this noma ngaphosela 10 rand noma ngaphosela yet asikakabi naso isamba but what I'm trying to say ukuthi let's gather the idea. Ukuthi i-idea esifuna i-idea zokuthi guys let's have this and this and this. Let's give them those opportunities at school. Ayikho into engafunda esikolweni but
yeah that's true.
Mina njengoba ngitshela ukuthi ngisebenzele esikoleni zabelungu ayikho into I didn't even know
music.
Yes, I didn't even know ukuthi kune class actually igcwala ama drums, music and things like that. I-chess, kids go play chess.
Thina sibafundisa yamchaya umntwana umntwana edlala i-draft.
Exactly, yes. Chombulale. You understand? So there is even okunye okuthiwa ngama knowledge skills. Umntwana ekiyohlala nomuntu ongasothisha. Behlale nabo kanje bexoxe so
just to understand ukuthi umntwana
yes
ucabanga njani.
Yes, let's build more classes. Enye into engizwisa ubuhlungu thina sasifunda eclassini uthisha efundisa 41 kids. But a normal teacher can only teach 18 kids. 18. Then he can attend to everyone. But here I'm talking about twice the number of
abantwana.
Yes. Angeka khona. Makuto ufeyile uthethe number 41. But mali u18 kanti uthethe number 18.
Kungcono.
No matter kungekho ngcono. But when it's 41 it sounds even worse.
Yeah, that's true.
You understand? And there is that it's not what abantwana. The teacher didn't have time to attend to all of them. That's the reason. You understand? Ukhona omunye umntwana oyislow learner. Uyabona njengami. Kwakumele uteacher ekhuluma into azayiphinde kabili noma kathathu ukuthi ngizwisise.
Oqala bangayizwa.
Oqala nje bengayizwanga. Ngabe ngamshanga vele ukuthini. Especially makuzodwa khona kunye kwakubizwa ngedetection. Ebhize ehamba la ekhuluma mina ngaleso sikhathi I need to write. Ngangamusha. We understand? And there is a lot of things esizenza zibe nzima kakhulu ebantwaneni that even needs ukuthi abantu those people that draft ama syllabus they need to think about it. Can I give you a fun example? Uyayazi imbuzi?
Yes, yeah.
Inenyawo ezingaki? 4. Ezu4. Very good. Makukuthi wena into ongayi understand kuphela English. I-question ibuye kuyithi how many legs does a goat have? Does it mean ukuthi i-answer uyazi or you don't understand English?
You don't understand English.
But you know the answer. That's why kumele lo muntu uzofika vigilator. Uyabona mali balleters. Kumele ukuthi maye kubona uphamsana mawubuza umbuzo ekutshela ukuthi no lo mbuzo lo uthi ngesindebele uthi. Kumele kutshele that. Because akangitsheli answer but ungitshela ini
but ukuletha duze kwe-answer
that's not the answer. Wafika sithi no lo mbuzo lo uthi how many legs does a goat have uthi imbuzi inenyawo ezingaki. Finish. He didn't tell me the answer. Did he tell me the answer?
Yes, which
no. We are gonna. That's why are you trying to tell me what the Chinese kids? Are they struggling like we are struggling? French, are they struggling like we are struggling? English, are they struggling like we are struggling?
Afrikaans.
Yes, that's why when I get yabantwana babelungu nabethu izohlala nje. Do you know what is the reason? Tina, when we busy struggling with their language, when are they busy struggling with izinto kumele bezifunde? Tina, we struggling with their language.
So kumele ukuthi thatha okune uhlanganise lokune kuphume isichiyagalo mbili.
No. Mangifika utshela thatha okune uhlanganise nokune ukusufaka i-answer yakho na. Yiko kumele ngitshele khona. You mustn't come and say 4 + 4. No. Anti umbuzo uthe 4 + 4. Nganga understand. So what's the use yalo muntu lokho ehamba lapha ezobuye ezombuza the same question in the same language lengayizwisisi.
So you are saying in other words abantwana kabafundiswa ngolimi lwabo. That's what you are saying.
No. What I'm saying, if into
ngayizwisisi nawe sungumdala wethu
lalela into mangayizwisisi ngolimi with the foreign language, give me an option of using my language ukuze ngizwisise.
Mr. Ncube.
Fine. I do agree with him in terms of ukuthi abantu chasiselwe ngelanguage. I mean, I would go on and say we even need to learn imaths ngesindebele, but now that's not our place. There is a curriculum ezwa government. Maybe we can lobby government, but my takeaway from what Unkomose is saying here is, although besebenzise stationary lama sanitary pads as their entry point, is advocating for a holistic approach towards resourcing izikolo zasemakhaya, including especially by us in the diaspora, because we have seen things, some of us even have the capacity ukuthi si improve even with sporting field. Ubona ukuthi okay, he's talking about Embakwe echolo lesikolo kuthiwa imgodi masile. Ngesikhathi thina sisafunda abantwana baleso sikolo bebesazakala ngento ezimbili, yikugijima libhola. But I don't think kunomntwana wasemgodi masili oke wadlala ibhola at a higher level, because basemakhaya. But had there been an academy eCholocho, they would have played there. Kuye kwaba le team yaseCholocho emidlala ku Premier League, which was something abantu beCholocho baziqhenya ngayo. And so if we develop everything, spoken about ama chessboards, we buy ama chessboards adwili kakhulu, si develop, while those aba gifted academically kufanele ukuthi siba supporting stationary land laba futhi laba ba gifted in terms of sports, let us resource maybe ama grounds, sibathengele ikit, sibayenzeleni. But now ngibese siba nombuzo Nkomosi, abantu bakuthola njani abafuna uku assist maybe nge stationary or abafuna ukujoin what you are doing khona ngale area yakini, and you have 2 minutes to do that and wrap up isikhathi siseko.
Okay mina ke abantu abangidingayo inamba ye cellphone ithi 072 496 4230. Okay, aba email
WhatsApp khona lapha.
Yeah, kuya WhatsApp nalapha. Abafuna uku-emaila bengathi bigfosternkomose@gmail.com. Ngitholakala lapha.
bigfosternkomose@gmail.com. Ufisa usizo olufuna kahle kahle yini? Ufuna abantu ukuthumela imali noma abantu umuntu onezinto acabanga ukuthi ngasiza bakusiza kanjani abantu?
Usizo siludinga nalo. Unganginiki imali. The reason why ngasuka ekhaya ngazala ngizodinga imali ngizoyisebenzisa. Buy me anything oyifunayo ukuyibona isetshenziswa ngabantwana esikolweni.
Yeah, ngiyathanda kakhulu lapho.
You understand? Yizo izinto esizidingayo. That's why ngikela ngathi from the scratch even nase garage ngithi mangifika ngithi makuthi lo msebenzi wokugeza imoto makuthi lo msebenzi omuntu uzonincedisa ukumenda amasondo nani. I will do it but don't give me money, buy me ama stationery.
Sanithanda kakhulu bakithi emakhaya namhlanje besihleli nensizwa lana uNkomose umnumzana uNkomose wenza umsebenzi engicabanga ukuthi akade belalele bayezwa ukuthi umkhulu ungakanani mangabe ungwase Makuzeze Chingababili sengiblind ngokukhuluma isikhala Chingababili
la chichi
nako chichi chichi ngiyakwazi kochichi induna lapha nako Sindisa kompofu empandeni ngiyakwazi lapha so bakithi mawubuya kulezo ndawo uyaxhumana nomnumzana uNkomose nikwazi ukuthi niphushe indawo yakini ibe yinhle nithuthukise izikolo zenu ngoba uNkomose uthi yena akufuna kakhulu kahle ukuthi izikole zithuthuke bakithi abantwana ba-empower. Siyangithanda kakhulu.
Okunye sengiqeda emfuna ukuthi ngikusho ukuthi lezi izikolo engizibalileyo is a starting point.
Yes.
We want to grow very big.
Lize liyofika eMtora Shanka.
Ngokupla.
Okay, siyangithanda kakhulu emakhaya.